Right, this is now test number 2. And the GoPro, I've now changed settings. So, quick show what I'm using. Oops, turn this off actually. So, I'm using 4K 30 frames wide, which is the same as the SVBony camera. I'm also using auto settings, and I've set the ISOs to the max and the minimum. Everything else is standard. And that's exactly what the SVBony camera is on as well. So, here we go. This is the difference. There's my grape plant and garden, a load of wood, currently in the process of making a new fence. Here is my bunny, which you probably can't see. I can't see it. Oh God. That's impressive. So just where this thing is, I can't see in there. That is black. No, I think that's too dark for this camera as well. The GoPros have nothing. I've got the GoPro and the SVBony camera right next to each other. This is where my telescope goes. I've took it down because we had a barbecue the other day. That is insane. And like I said, it automatically changed the camera lens as soon as it detected it was dark. So this is a quick camera test of the SVBony SVGO camera. Very good.